Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. In this video, I wanted to share with you why you should let things grow. But before I do that, I make videos about dark tunnel plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So when you plant a garden, or whether you have somebody do it for you, the rule of thumb is that if a plant's going to get 3 feet wide, you allow 3 feet of room-ish from the base of that plant to the next, because you don't want to overcrowd the garden, which would create a maintenance nightmare. And when you plant plants, you want to be able to understand the details of that plant. How tall is it going to get? How wide is it going to get? When does it bloom? What's the flower color, if any? And then you want to let it grow for about the first 6 months to a year. Don't trim or maintain the plant. Just let it grow. Let it do its thing, whatever it's supposed to do. Let it acclimate to your climate, to your soil, to your lifestyle. Let it grow and do whatever it is that it's supposed to do. And you only want to trim the plant if it's absolutely necessary. And you have to remember, in the beginning, the plants and the whole landscape are going to look sparse. And you're going to think, oh my God, there isn't enough plants. But trust me, once they grow and mature, there will be just perfectly enough.